Alright, let me see if I could do this one-handed. Start pre-spraying. This one, in a sense, I am nuking it, as some people would say, cleaners would say. So I am using a little bit of Blue Label from Truck Mount Forums, some Citrusol, and a little bit of BioPro 10K, all from Truck Mount Forums, to pre-treat this carpet. And so what I'm going to do is get it pretty good here. I'm going to go vacuum the one other room of carpet that needs to be done. Pre-spray that one. Let these dwell for a little bit, and then hit it with the CRB. So, just wanted to show you guys. This one I'm kind of doing my best to pre-spray and hold this at the same time, so bear with me. But I'm putting a little bit extra than normal, just because this one needs a little extra attention. This is probably one of the most prepared clients I've ever had. She's watched a bunch of videos from mine and other cleaners. So they pulled everything out of this room, which is great because there's a sectional couch and a table. And she's watched so much video to know that you don't want to put anything back in right after the cleaning, and if you do, that some plastic feet of some sort need to go under it. So they actually already rigged that couch with some plastic protectors under it, which is amazing, because I was going to use styrofoam blocks if they need to get it back in here, which they do. So once I'm done cleaning it, I'm going to help them move it back in. And it's already preset, so that's one of the awesome things I found out about her when she told me that she found me through YouTube. So you can see this one's pretty bad in some areas, so I got my work cut out for me. So be sure to watch the rest of the videos. Probably going to separate them at this point, since I'm doing one for each step, but this is the pre-treatment using all Truck Mount Forums products on this one, including my rinse. So be sure to watch for all of them. Next up, I'll be in here with the CRB. Thanks for watching.